forgive you. Not because you deserve it, but because my fans voted yes. Should I pay the bill?
Why would you?
Because you already paid with that smile.
Oh my, that's so, you are ridiculous.
Officer, why so serious?
Rules.
Makes sense. Rules are made for people this powerful. Officer, am I in trouble?
Possibly.
Good. I've been illegally staring anyway. Fruit's taking long.
Yeah.
It's fine. Looking at you fix my patience issues. The menu is confusing.
Why?
Everything looks average. Then there's you.
What?
50% off sale?
Yes.
Makes sense. There's no full price.
Oh my, that is so mean. Oh my gosh.
You ordered dessert?
Not yet.
Too late. You already walked in. Don't try heels.
Why not?
Because what you're wearing already broke my confidence.
Oh my god.
That mirror is lying.
How?
It's not warning people how dangerous you look. Slow down with the cart.
Why?
My heart keeps falling off the shelf every aisle. You buy vegetables?
Yeah.
Respect? Beauty with responsibility? Rare combo.
Oh my god.
Ma'am, this price tag is wrong.
What's wrong?
Because someone this cute should be marked priceless.
Oh man, I can't.
Oh my gosh.
Hello, gorgeous. You come with coupons too?
Excuse me?
Oh, security's here. Big belly alert. Is that a pot or a portable pantry? Scan that thing. Price a large.
Oh no!
Shipping for orders over one. Officer, arms crossed.
Rules.
Perfect. Boundaries make beautiful people irresistible. You're trouble, Larry.
Best kind.
Officer, still not looking?
Stay seated.
Impressive. Ignoring me takes discipline when chemistry's this loud.
Oh no! You're impossible.
Doctor, so many files.
Busy.
Add one more titled Reason I'm Smiling Today.
Oh, Larry!
Doctor, take breath.
Long day.
Sorry, I'll try being less charming.
Mm-hmm.
Doctor, hear that?
Normal.
Wrong. That's me falling for you in surround sound.
Doctor, typing fast.
Notes.
Slow down, my feelings can't keep up.
You're too much, Larry.
I know. Oh, sir, you always this serious?
Stay seated.
Gladly. Falling for you. Knocked me off my feet anyway.
Oh, wow.
Officer, paperwork heavy?
Unfortunately.
Trade it for me. I'm a full-time distraction. Doctor, case closed?
Yes?
Then why did you just open something permanent in my chest? Doctor, you turned away.
Focus.
I am focusing on how impossible you are to ignore. Officer, that?
On time.
Funny, because I've been waiting my whole life for that face. Oh my.
You're unreal, Larry.
Doctor, you didn't look up.
Busy.
I know. Ignoring me takes effort when I'm this charming.
You're terrible, Larry.
That's kind of terrible. Doctor, case closed?
Yes?
Wrong. You just opened a lifelong condition called me. Officer, are Scots always this calm?
Stay professional.
Then arrest me, because my heart just crossed every border for you.
Stop laughing.
Officer, you check documents every day, but you never check my heart.
What?
I think you should arrest me for falling for you. One smile from you is better than any signal.
Oh my gosh. You're trouble. I'm still giving the ticket, though.
Worth it. Doctor, mask on?
Safety
Then
first.
hide your smile. It's a public health hazard. Officer, running late?
Busy day.
Same. Falling for you takes most of my time. Officer, what's today's briefing?
Stay alert.
Too late. I've already noticed you. Officer, writing a report?
Yes.
And this suspect stole my attention using just one smile. Doctor, you're sitting close.
Focus, Larry.
I am. My focus just happens to be you.
Oh my.
Doctor, washing hands?
Of course.
Good, because I'm already dirty from thinking about you. You're welcome. Officer, are these cameras always watching?
Yes, always.
Good. Then they'll record the moment I fell for you. Smooth. Doctor, that light is too bright.
It's for your eyes.
My eyes only shine when you're in front of me.
Oh no, did you hear that?
Officer, rewind, please.
Which part?
The moment you walked in, I want to fall in love again. Can you check my heart?
Symptoms?
Rapid beating, caused by blonde medical distractions.
You win, Larry.
Hey, cutie, can we go on a date? Meow. That's it? One word? Whole vocabulary, you chose meow?
Default cat energy.
I'm down bad and you're muted. That's why dogs get the dates. Officer, writing a ticket?
Yes, Larry.
Write one more to yourself for speeding into my heart. Ha! Doctor, can I stay here?
Why?
Because my heart flatlines every time you leave. Officer, is that tea for me?
No. Behave.
Then pour some on yourself. You're already my daily hot beverage.
Larry.
Doctor, is that shot for me?
Maybe.
Then inject confidence so I can finally ask you out properly.
I almost dropped the syringe.
Officer, are you changing after this?
Why?
Because whatever you wear becomes my new favorite outfit.
Oh my.
Nurse, can you check my temperature?
What's wrong now?
I feel hot, but only when you walk in. Doctor, I saw my x-ray.
And?
It's empty inside because you're living rent-free in there. No! Officer, you store evidence here, right?
Yes, Larry.
Great, then lock yourself up. You're my stolen heart case.
Oh no.
Case closed. What? I went that.
I dance better when you smile.
Ah! Look, that ruined it. Look, that ruined.
Whoa, that's real easy.
Hey, Marita Beauty, is this a latte? Or a love potion? Careful, one sip and you'll fall for the bird with the best feathers in town. Oh my God. Write my name on your heart, not the cup. Go! I am not ice cream. Is anyone here? Somebody please rescue me. I'm seriously about to become the cat's dinner today. Oh no. Mayday! Mayday! Help! Help! Okay, I surrender. What do you want me to do?
Turn around, face the wall, and spread them.
Face down, tail up? Damn, officer, I like the way you think. Oh my. Officer, I need flour to make bread.
Okay, but where can I get the flour?
The amount of flour in your cheeks will be enough for me.
No way!
Officer, did your voice just hug me?
Brico, stop. I'm not hugging anyone today.
Good, because I called dibs on the first one. Mommy, why is your stomach so big?
Because there's a baby inside me.
A baby? Am I a big brother?
Sir, why did you tell my wife I was at the bar?
Because you said you were at book club.
You ruined my night!
No,
Your choices did. Oh, man. Woo!
What's the emergency?
Snacks are missing.
That's not a cry.
It is. Emotionally. Oh, man.
You're something else.
Will you be my Valentine?
How old are you?
I'm 34.
I'm sorry you're expired. I need standards, not charity cases.
Sir, step aside. We need to check your bag.
Bag? What bag? I don't have a bag. I'm naked.
We have a report you stole a credit card.
The only thing I stole is your wife.
Sir? Where are you flying in from?
My wife's apartment.
Watch your mouth, bird.
Your wife should have watched her mouth before kissing the yoga instructor.
What?
Oh yeah, now her dog isn't the only position he's teaching her.
You gotta be kidding me.